BitChute is a video hosting platform that allows content creators to upload and share their videos without the restrictions and censorship that are common on other popular platforms like YouTube. It's a decentralized platform that uses blockchain technology to ensure the security and privacy of user data. Here's a step-by-step guide on how you can make money online with BitChute in 2024. 1. Create a BitChute account. Go to the BitChute website and sign up for an account. You'll need to provide your email address or log in using your Google or Facebook account to create your account quickly. 2. Customize your channel. Once you have created your account on BitChute, you can customize your channel page to make it look more attractive to your viewers. You can add your profile picture or logo to your channel page to make it more recognizable to your audience. 3. Upload your videos. After customizing your channel page, you can start uploading your videos to BitChute. Make sure to optimize your videos for SEO by using relevant keywords in your video titles and descriptions. This will help your videos rank higher in BitChute's search results. 4. Promote your videos. Once you have uploaded your videos to BitChute, you can promote them on social media platforms like Twitter or Facebook to drive more traffic to your channel. You can also collaborate with other content creators on BitChute to cross-promote your videos. 5. Use BitChute's monetization tools. BitChute offers several monetization tools to help content creators earn money from advertising revenue. You can enable ads on your videos by going to your channel settings and selecting monetization from the drop-down menu. BitChute pays out revenue to content creators based on the number of views and clicks on ads. 6. Join BitChute's Creator Fund. BitChute's Creator Fund is a program designed to help content creators earn more money from advertising revenue. To join this program, you need to have at least one video on BitChute with over 1 million views. Once you have met this requirement, you can apply to join the Creator Fund by going to your channel settings and selecting Creator Fund from the drop-down menu. BitChute pays out revenue to Creator Fund members based on the number of views and clicks on ads. 7. Use BitChute's merchandise store. BitChute's merchandise store allows content creators to sell branded merchandise like t-shirts or hoodies to your fans. You can create your own merchandise store by going to your channel settings and selecting Merchandise from the drop-down menu. BitChute takes a commission on sales made through your merchandise store. 8. Collaborate with brands. BitChute allows content creators to collaborate with brands to promote products or services to your audience. You can find brand partnership opportunities by going to your channel settings and selecting Brand Partnerships from the drop-down menu. BitChute takes a commission on sales made through your brand partnerships. 9. Use BitChute's live streaming feature. BitChute's live streaming feature allows content creators to interact directly with your audience in real time. You can use this feature to promote your products or services or to offer exclusive content to your fans. BitChute takes a commission on sales made through your live streams. Use BitChute's affiliate marketing program. BitChute's affiliate marketing program allows content creators to earn money by promoting BitChute's products or services to your audience. You can find affiliate marketing opportunities by going to your channel settings and selecting Affiliate Marketing from the drop-down menu. BitChute takes a commission on sales made through your affiliate marketing campaigns. 11. Use BitChute's community engagement tools. BitChute's community engagement tools allow content creators to interact directly with your audience by hosting Q&A sessions or live discussions. You can use these tools to build a loyal following and promote your products or services to your fans. BitChute takes no commission on sales made through your community engagement activities. 12. Use BitChute's analytics tools. BitChute's analytics tools allow content creators to track the performance of your videos and channel. You can use these tools to identify trends in your audience's behavior and to optimize your videos for better performance. BitChute takes no commission on sales made through your analytics activities.